Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. Just want to make a quick video to touch on what the SPX has been up to these last few days. So currently we are trading in a daily pennant pattern here. We have a descending trend line along with an ascending trend line. So we have a lower high right here and potentially another lower high right here and a higher low right at this point. So we're getting in a more of a compressing pattern. We also had a bearish engulfing bar today, engulfing the previous bar's range right here. And we're bouncing off the 20-day and 8-day EMAs. That being said, we're not making too much headway to the upside or the downside yet. So we might move back down, maybe break out to the downside. But if we find support and continue to rally higher, maybe we can push up back above today's high, which is up at 75.40.75. The next resistance would be up at around 75.77.92. So look to see if we can get up there. Let's see if we can try to get out of this compressing pattern that we have. The pivot support is down at about 72.94.18. So we're just getting more narrow here. So just keep that in mind going into the weekend here. But if you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading rooms, we do offer a $7 1-month access trial. You can access that if you email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.